Hello, this is Dr. Singh. My name appears right over here, right here. And you're seeing two tables, one on the left side and one on the right side. The information in both of them is the same, except in the first case, we have sorted them by the sector number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the second table, it is sorted based upon the symbol that you see over here, okay? Okay, all right. Once it is clear, let's come over here. Um, well, before I come here, let's talk about this. PSX refers to the Pakistan Stock Exchange. This is a company that monitors other companies, not in extreme details, but in general overall picture it looks at of each company and things like that. In Pakistan, there are 544 companies. Watch the mouse. And PSX is one of them. So that means there are other 543 companies in Pakistan. These 544 companies are grouped into or divided into groups. We call them as sectors, technical word, sector. And there are a total of 36 sectors. Each company will belong to only one sector, okay, one group. So here is the first sector over here in this color. It's called as automobile assemblers, and the number 11 that you see over here, meaning there are 11 companies in that sector, and these are the name of the companies and these are their symbols. Now, before I get into and forget certain things, I must mention something over here. PSX is, of course, the symbol of the company called the Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX. And here is the important part. Note each symbol I'm reading. Note each stock symbol is unique so that the PSX could recognize individual company through their symbol. They work with the symbols only. Okay, well, most of the time, all the time. Once in a while, it's different. The second thing is that's a very important rule right over here, which says must be in uppercase, meaning each stock symbol must be in uppercase. And you can see on this column over here on the left side that I'm using symbols, and all of them are mentioned using capital letters or uppercase. Okay, that's very, very important. That's how it works. This is how the PSX will recognize a particular company. If you use lowercase, it will not recognize it at all. It will not answer you properly at all. Okay, having said that, let's move on to sector number 11. That's the goal in this video. And sector 11 deals with the, here we go, right over here. A kind of bluish color. And this is 11, sector number 11. And the 9 that you see over here refers to how many companies are in that sector. The name of the sector is glass and ceramics. That's what it's, okay? Glass, meaning the glass you use, any product that is, uses the glass, whether it is your the glass that you use to drink the water or, other drinks, or your television has a screen. Generally, that's not a glass, but get the point. A ceramic, like the tiles that you are on your floor, and that comes under this category. Now, having said that, let's look at now another one Word document over here on the left side. Let's come here. First of all, my name is Singh, Dr. Singh over here, and this is sector 11, deals with the glass and ceramic. Sometime I have to read this, and it's like repeating the same thing again. That's okay. The next part is over here to read and relax. There's no need to panic. Very important part. No need to panic. Okay. It's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science, meaning it's not difficult. It's a simple thing that if you spend the time, once you get interested into it, you will enjoy and it will be easy on you. So let's come over here. And sector 11, I'm reading, it deals with the glass and ceramic. And the companies, the 9 companies that you see on the right hand side, somewhere, watch the mouse. They deal with, right over here, I'm reading again, manufacturing and selling glass container, glass tablewares, plastic shell, ceramic tiles, sanitary wares, related ceramic products, float glass, glass tubes, glassware, wheels and impulses and chemicals, mirrors, tempered glass, laminated glass, and opal glass and tableware. Do you have to understand all of them thoroughly? The answer is no. Just be, familiar with the names. You don't have to memorize them all, but go over it. Try to remember if you can. That's fine. If you can, that's also fine. You will be more concerned with when you end up in being interested and want to buy a company from this sector, meaning any one of these companies that you see over here, like Balochistan. I'm reading Balochistan Glass Limited, Frontier Ceramics Limited, Ghani Glass Limited, and so on and so forth. Okay. So that time you will become more curious and you want to learn, and that's how you go. And if you want to buy that company, well, not company, the entire thing, you buy their stock, and this will be the symbol of those stocks, and you act accordingly and work on that. How's that? So we have I have given you general brief introduction of this particular industry, and now we're going to see those 9 companies, and this is the summary of those 9 companies on the left hand side right over here. This is what they do. Okay, so you can read, pause the video if you have to, and things like that. No data available right over here simply means either the company has gone bankrupt or no longer exists or has changed the name. So it all depends, and things do happen like that in the world. Companies sometimes they fail to work properly and things like that because of whatever reason. There can be multiple reasons. So here I'm going to ask you to read all of that. You don't have to memorize. You get familiar with these words, what they do, and so on and so forth. So if you are interested in this particular company over here, whose symbol is STCL, Shabir Tiles and Ceramic Limited, they give you introduction as to what they do, and then you can go on their website. We will go over them in the future in a different video to understand how they operate, but again we cannot find out minor details, how they operate and things like that, but they give you a lot of information on their website. You can, number of times you can question, they will try to answer, whatever. So that's how it goes. So with this, maybe no, I'm thinking. I think we have covered enough. So with this, probably I will stop recording this video, and we will discuss individual company like over here. The first one, Balochistan Glass Limited, in the futures, in a different video. I will talk about separately on each videos one at a time. Okay, so it's going to take time. With this, I think I'm going to stop recording this video. There we go.